Hello everyone, welcome back to our programming series. In today, we're going to solve SkillRack daily challenge. That is, integers, divisible by y. We're including the necessary header files for input, output and memory allocation functions. Here, we declare three integers n, x, and y. We're using scanf to take user input for n, the number of integers to be processed. We declare an array, arr, of size n to store the integers inputted by the user. This for loop reads n integers from the user and stores them in the arr array. We use scanf again to get x and y, which represent the conditions for filtering the integers. Here, we declare an integer f and initialize it with -1. This will serve as a flag to indicate whether any valid integers meeting the conditions have been found. Now, we enter a for loop to iterate through each integer in arr. Inside the loop, we calculate the number of digits in the current integer using logarithms. This line computes the length of the integer arr I and stores it in len. In this if statement, we check if the len, number of digits, of the current integer matches x, and if the integer is divisible by y. If both conditions are met, the code inside the if block is executed. If a valid integer is found, we set the flag f to 1 to indicate a successful match, and then we print the integer. Finally, after the loop ends, if f remains -1, it means no valid integers meeting the conditions were found. In this case, the code prints -1. Hope you found this explanation helpful. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share for more programming challenges and solutions. Thanks for watching.